Hi guys, Michael here. You may have said to yourself, I want to start a carpet cleaning business, but I'm not a salesman. Remember, it's so much more today than just looking at someone directly in their eyes with a friendly smile and a firm handshake. Customers want to be wowed by you. They want to know that they are dealing with a true professional on all levels of your service. One of my carpet cleaning technicians once said to me, "But Michael, I'm not a salesperson. I can't sell up on the job." I simply replied to him, "Who's asking you to be a salesman?" I explained to him that I wanted him to sit down and research the products or services he was offering his customers and extract all the benefits and write them down. Then to put it into a clear paragraph and practice it, and then present it to his customers in real time. Finally, I said to him, you don't need to be a salesman to sell what you believe in. The product or service will sell itself. If you believe a carpet spot remover, for example, really works, then it will sell itself, providing you have the technique for explaining it, and it has a 95% success rate as an upsell. I also worked out that half the reason he never sold was because he was too scared to ask. But if you could have a foolproof communication tactic that just feels like you're having a normal conversation with your customer rather than a high pressure sales pitch, in turn that customer will see you as a pure professional with advice that is going to benefit them greatly. Believe me, customers want to be educated on services and products as well as being wowed. Never just believe you're going to a job to make the minimum charge. You won't believe what customers are willing to pay for when it comes to professional advice and stunning results. They may not have realized that their sofa, rugs, or extra rooms, dining chairs, lounge suites would possibly be cheaper on the day of service rather than coming back on another day. The lesson here is that if you don't ask, you will never receive. And never judge a book by its cover. Customers will purchase if they feel strongly it's going to benefit them. Repetition in communication is very important, but be careful not to sound like a robot. Practice it on your family, maybe your friends, until you've got it 100% perfect.